Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and today I'm here with a quick install and review of ESR's Armorite screen protector for the new iPad Pro 11-inch 2024. So this is an interesting product, my first experience with ESR screen protectors. It's supposed to be a very protective screen protector offering military-grade protection. It comes in a 2-pack and there is an installer. So I think there's a lot to love here. Let's get this installed on my iPad Pro and check it out. So looking at the contents of the box, you've got 2 of everything here except the installation tray, so you have to save that. But you've got 2 cleaning kits, you've got 2 screen protectors, and then again, the 1 installation tray. Checking out the cleaning kit, everything is helpfully numbered. So your wet wipe is marked number 1. Obviously, you're going to use the wet wipe first to clean your screen. And then your microfiber cloth here is marked number 2. So that's what you're going to use after the wet wipe to dry your screen. And then you're going to use the dust removal sticker to remove any remaining dust. And then finally, this one marked number 4 is if you have an issue with dust getting stuck underneath the screen protector, which is hopefully not going to happen, you can use this dust removal sticker to remove any trapped dust. So I think you could probably clean the screen of your iPad before putting it in the installer, but I figure you may as well put it in the installer first, because that way you're going to have fewer steps in between your clean screen and the application of the screen protector. So you're going to want to put this in here. Note the camera marking over here. So obviously you're going to have it with your camera up here in the corner. So lay this down inside the install tray and then clean it up. Next, you're going to attach the top of the screen protector onto the installer using this gray thing over here. So you got 2 holes over here. Those 2 holes are going to go over these 2 pegs over here, and then the gray bit is going to clip behind them. And then once you have those in place, you're going to lift this whole thing up and then use this little tab over here to remove the plastic that's on the back of the screen protector. And then that's going to expose the adhesive side of the screen protector, which is then going to stick down on top of your iPad. And then finally, you're going to put this little hole over here onto a peg on that side, so everything is pulled tight across. And then press your finger down here, slide it down, and this should help the whole thing adhere onto your screen. And then the final step is to remove this top plastic sheet from the screen protector. And then take out your iPad. Clearly we have some bubbles going on here. Hopefully they're going to remove easily. Looking at the results of the installation, I think everything turned out great. So I was a little bit concerned about the size of those bubbles that you saw when I took this out of the installer. However, those were actually really easy to remove. Just press them out with my fingertips. They were gone in a couple of minutes. And the result here is great. You got a perfect alignment on here, nice edge-to-edge fit, nice rounded edges on here. Everything looks great. As you can see, we got a cutout here for the camera at the top on that landscape edge. Overall, I think everything looks great. So this is advertised as being a very protective screen protector, but of course it's glass, so it's going to be good against scratches. As far as impact is concerned, this may be stronger than your typical glass screen protector, but of course glass will eventually break. So you do have to be somewhat careful with it, but I think this could be a good choice for your iPad. It certainly has a great look and feel, nice oleophobic coating on here, slippery smooth. Everything feels very responsive. It's going to fit well with ESR's cases, and I think it'll probably fit well with other cases as well, although I haven't gotten a chance to try it with any. And it's nicely priced at $15.29 currently on Amazon for a 2-pack. I really don't think you can go wrong with those kind of prices. Many thanks to the kind folks at ESR for sending me out this sample to review. If you have any questions about this or anything else, please feel free to put them in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to answer them. And do consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.